Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a shortcut key to insert rows in Excel. Let's get started. To add a row in your data table, you must first designate its position by clicking on the row headers located on the left. Remember to click one row below where you intend to insert the new row. There are two efficient methods for inserting a row using shortcut keys. The first and possibly the simplest involves using the hotkey control combined with a plus sign. And there you have it. The new row has been seamlessly added. This shortcut proves especially convenient if your keyboard is equipped with a numeric keypad on the right. Now let's click elsewhere in the data table as we explore another valuable shortcut key for inserting rows in Excel. To use this shortcut, hold down the Alt key and simultaneously press the keys I and R. And just like that, a new row is inserted. There's a little trick to help you remember which keys to press after holding Alt key. The letter I stands for insert and R stands for row. The shortcut doesn't require a numeric pad on your keyboard, making it accessible to all. Of course, you can utilize both shortcut keys to insert multiple rows at once. The process remains identical. Simply select the exact number of rows you want to insert at your desired location. Let's say we want to insert 3 rows now. So we'll select 3 rows and use one of the two shortcut keys explained earlier. It's that simple. 3 new rows are now added. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.